Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another tutorial for today. So introducing the stationery I'll be using today. It's a Staedtler pencil, domes eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And these are the Staedtler Luna colors that I'll be using today for coloring my drawing. So today we are going to draw a orange juice bottle. So I'm starting with a standing line. Now we are starting with the bottle cap. So I am making one oval, one standing line here, another standing line here, and then joining it with a curve just like the upper line. Now I'll be making one small standing line, another one, making a curve this side, another curve this side, the other side, in this middle joining with a little curved line. Now with the pencil I'll be making few sleeping lines so that our drawing is same on both the sides. Now making a standing line here on one side and another line on the other side to give the basic structure of the bottle and joining with a little curved line. In the center again we are going to draw a sleeping line. Few more lines, these are a bit curved, as here we'll be making the curves to show the shape of the bottle. Now around the same lines, following the starting and the end points of the line, we are going to join them a bit curved. The same on the other side. Just look at the lines carefully and be careful of the gaps between the pencil line and the pen lines. Now making small curves starting from one line till the other one. The same on the other side. So those sleeping lines we made for our help to make these curves equal on both the sides. Now joining them again with a curved line at the bottom. Now after this we'll be making the label. So making a sleeping line, two standing lines, one on this side and the second one here, and then joining it again with a curve at the bottom. So this is we have made for the label of the bottle. Now I am erasing the lines which are inside the label as I need to give another detailing here. So here I'll be making orange and writing the name orange juice. So making a circle for the orange and putting two lines, one more line at the top and another one. This is basically to have the height of the alphabets that I'll be making. Now starting with the leaf, two curves, center line and the curves on both the sides. Now just outlining the circle. We are not outlining the circle which is under the leaves. Now giving some texture with the dots. And in between these lines we'll be writing the name. After writing the name in between those two lines, now I am putting the standing lines on the bottle cap. So here we are done with the drawing of the orange juice bottle. I hope it was helpful to you. The similar way we can make the bottles for the other juices as well. We can just change the label, have the basic shape same as this one, and we can just change the label and the fruit, whichever we want to put. So just checking that the pen lines have dried so that they don't smudge when I erase it. And after this I'll be starting with the coloring, and today I'll be doing shading in this drawing. So all the stationery that I am using today, the links for those are available in the description, video description. You can just go and check them and order for yourself. So I'm starting with the green color in the bottle cap. Now I'm giving a darker tone on the side and reducing the pressure as I'm coming in the center. So it's darker here and moving to the lighter pressure as I'm coming inside. So we'll be keeping the lighter tone in the center and giving the darker shades on the sides. So again doing the blue color on the bottle, darker on the sides, and bringing it to the lighter tone as I'm coming in the center part. To give the lighter tone, just put some pressure on the pencil, and as you want to take it towards the lighter tone, just hold it softly, reduce the pressure on the pencil, and you will get the lighter tone. So here, just to show the curve of the bottle, darker here and lighter as I am going inside. It will be little darker below the bottle cap to show its shadow. Again darker on the sides and lighter as I am going inside. So it's darker here and light as we are going up. It's a smaller space here, so here we are just giving the darker tones. The other side also. And again a darker tone here at the bottom. I am starting with the orange color of the fruit, so it's darker on the sides, on the outline part, and lighter as we are coming inside. Just do not leave any gaps in between the coloring lines to get the smoothness. And here as I am changing the direction, but still I am not leaving the spaces in between, so the shading appears to be very smooth. So bottom part is going to be little darker as compared to the upper one. Again for the green part, darker at the bottom, at the lower side, and lighter as I am going up. Now I am just putting the orange color in the alphabets, the orange juice, the name that I have written. Now for the base of the label I am giving a dark purple color. So this appears to be a grey tone, but actually it's a dark purple shade in our color set. So these are the Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils that I have used here. They are very smooth to work with, very professional. So it's darker at the bottom, light as we are going up. The technique is the same. The more pressure you will put on the pencil, you will get the darker tone. The softly you will hold it, you will get the lighter tone. So if you want me to put up a tutorial on shading, you can just drop me a message in the comment section. I'll do that for you. Also do let me know in the comment section about this video. I hope it's been a learning experience for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends.